This is 8 Juniper in Levant. It's a nice condo townhouse community. 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 Juniper will be the complex. Those two buildings were built last year and are all completed. This unit is just literally finished yesterday, and all 4 units, it's just a 4 unit, are rented here. Next building down will be available the end of the year, and they tried to do a kind of nice open floor plan. It does have a little entry here. There's room you can put like a bench or something there. They did a nice solid granite countertops with a deep sink, and they did little details like it has a spray faucet, all stainless appliances, built-in microwave, and even little things which most landlords cheap out on. They did nice soft close doors and doors on the cabinets so they don't have the banging. Dishwasher, of course. Kind of open floor plan, like I said, it kind of flows well. It's got big either pantry or storage closet there. And you can see here you've got lots of space. Easily do a dining table and a living room, or a really big double living room. The unit does have 2 baths too. It's got a half bath downstairs with its own stackable washer and dryer hookup there. And then you've got a full bath upstairs. Does have, the owner pays the heat, and it's radiant heat, so the slab is warm, which is really nice when the heat's running. And it stays warm in the wintertime. You've got a bonus closet underneath the stairs, which is just good for vacuum cleaners and storage, whatever somebody might need. And the other neat thing is that they've got just green space behind. There won't be other units. They've got plenty of deer and turkeys, that kind of stuff you'll see out back. And there's actually, a lot goes back to the tree line, and there's actually a stream behind that. So it's a really nice spot. The owner pays the heat and the hot water, actually. So the tenants just basically pay for their own electricity and internet. The other thing that's kind of nice is that with the owner paying hot water, the electric bill is pretty small compared to a lot of different rentals where you'll have a much higher electric bill. So up here you've got good size floor plan. You've got a big master, easily do a king size set, literally set up to do it with end tables. And it's got 2 closets. So you've got kind of a standard closet here, which has some nice built-in shelves, goes way up. Does have its own light, by the way. And then you've got a walk-in closet over on this side. And they've done a lot of built-ins here. So you've got shelving built there. You've got 2 of those plus a rod over here. So just a lot of nice space. And then the second thermostat. So even though the owner pays the heat, if you like it hotter or colder, you can set your own temperature. And then here you've got the second bedroom or office. We have a lot of tenants who use it for an office. And it's really good, and it does have a closet. It's got a closet behind the door here. So you've got great use of space, kind of a standard closet there for a bonus closet or second bedroom closet. The bath is a full bath, and they added a double sink. So kind of nice that way too. And so it's got a tub shower combo there, and it's got a linen closet. So you've got lots of storage for linens, towels, that kind of stuff. So that completes 8 Juniper. All the units in the Juniper 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 are the exact same design. And if you'd have interest in one of the new units or one of the units as it comes up, let us know, and we will take your application right on our Rent Bangor site.